it's too like freaking. Oh, son. Oh, sorry.
Oh, how's it, brother Bolos?
Oh, Radical Weeks.
Angel cover.
Alright. I got too much I want to say, still I don't know where to start. Every time I see you, every time I see your face, you know you go and steal my heart. I could love you in so many ways. I wish that I could make you mine. Oh girl, what I'm trying to say is, maybe we could spend some time. So please stay with me tonight. Would you hold me close until the morning? Yeah. Please stay with me tonight. Hold me close until the morning. Yeah. We can make this moment last forever and build a paradise for two. A place where I can be your one and only lover. And the only one for me is you. You can be my angel, help me fly away. I can be your sunlight, brighten up your day, yeah. Can you feel the magic every time we touch? Please stay the night with me, girl, I need you all so much. So please stay with me tonight. Would you hold me close until the morning, yeah. Please stay with me tonight. I know my angels gonna love it. I wanna share the night with you. I can hold you close until the morning. We can make love till that light shines coming through. From the dusk until the dawning, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Peace.
Peace.